This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
With this part of the course, we're going to begin talking about how to set up ads to get app downloads. Many people ask, should I run ads on Instagram, on Facebook? Where should I run ads? And actually, my answer is simple. Run app ads on native platforms where it is the most natural for people to download your app. That is the Apple App Store and the Android Google Play Store. That's where people are already browsing to download apps. It's the most natural place for them. Secondary places are everywhere else, Facebook, Instagram, but you don't even have to go there because you can potentially get so many downloads from those app stores that you don't necessarily even have to go to next places, which makes your life easier. So in the next few videos, I'm going to be walking you through first how to set up your Android ads, and then after that, how to set up your Apple App Store ads. Now, there are two strategies that I want to go over with you. The strategy one is the most common sense strategy, basically running profitable ads. Ads that cost you per download less than you get the revenue per download. Very easy, right? If your revenue per download is 2 cents and it costs you 1 cent to get the app, then it's a profitable ad. Yeah, very, very simple, self-explanatory, and really self-evident. But there's another strategy which is less self-evident, but can have much further effects, and that is unprofitable ads that actually are profitable long-term. How does that work? So you can lose money. Let's say you get revenue 2 cents per download, but maybe you spend 5 cents per download to get in your ads. These are just made up numbers. Obviously, these are numbers that are different for every kind of different app. So you spend 5 cents to earn 2 cents. If you do this long enough, you lose all your money. But the thing is that they can help you get more users in your app, more engagement, more reviews, and more of every other type of ASO signal. And then you can begin to use those ASO signals to rank higher in the App Store search, organic search. And then, of course, you'll rank higher in App Store search and you'll get a lot of new downloads organically for free that you wouldn't have otherwise gotten. And because you will get all these organic downloads long term and you will stay ranking, all those extra downloads from which you earn the average of 2 cents, they'll add, and long term, totally, your app ad strategy will be profitable long term. But you have to take the hit in the near term, and there's no particular guarantee that it's going to help you rank, but there's a big chance that it's going to help you rank higher. So it's a riskier strategy, but in any case, those are the two strategies that are available to you when you run ads. So starting with the next video, we're going to begin setting up your ads. First, we'll do the Android, and when we're done with that, we're going to go over the Apple App Store ads.